Okay, so this is my newest project. This is my journal, and I already started it. And this is called Financial Philosophy. And what I'm going to be doing in this, and I'll try to be neater than I usually am because it's a journal, it's not just like my notebook scrap paper, is put in the principles that I have learned over the last year or so. This is, some of the YouTubers out there do a great job of helping us in our finances. This one, pay yourself first, invest in yourself first, not later. That makes a huge, huge difference in our lives. I mean, I remember someone when I was growing up would tell me, pay yourself first. And when I had my kids, pay yourself first. And I would be like, what are you talking about? What do you mean put my money away? We were really dirt poor at one point, and I needed that money for diapers. Or I would go to save and try to save, and then I would turn around and we needed something else. And it was a constant, need, and there just wasn't enough income. So, and obviously with me taking care of my kids, I wasn't in the place to go work and pay for daycare. So, it was a little frustrating to hear, pay yourself first when you just don't have the money. And sometimes we don't have the money, but when we do, even if it's like $1 or $2, if you get in the habit of paying yourself, this person said, well, at least you have it. And that's true. I mean, at least you have something if you pay yourself first. And I know there's times you really feel like you can't, but start the habit, even if it's a penny to put in a jar. It's just a habit that you can get into and you can increase. And it really is beneficial. So this is my notebook, and or journal, and I will be starting to put a lot that I learned in here. And what that will do is reinforce it for me with what I learned.